gas is anywhere. Anywhere. If you see, gas is even in a simple balloon. When you blow it up your mouth, So, does gas? So, can you hold glass? No, you can't hold gas. But you can feel gas. So, let's just not talk about gas because it might be too hard for you guys. So, let's talk about just solids and liquids. Solids and liquids are simple. They're very simple. Solid is something that you can eat, like apples, popsicles. They're solids. But there's one thing of water. Water makes everything. Water is unliquid, but if you freeze it, it's solid. But if you put it in a cup and wait for hours and hours, it will probably make gas. So that's what it happens. Why does solid have to be something that you eat? Does solid even isn't a simple balloon? A balloon is not solid because you can't hold it tight. Like, my board is solid because I can hold it tight and it doesn't even break when I take it out. But look, these legs are too long, so I can't reach to the bottom. But this bottom helps the solid stand. And solid is like a chair. A chair is solid. If you even take it out, it helps. So a chair is an example of solid. Because solid, this doesn't fall out when I unhold it. But a doll is solid. But it can fall down if I don't hold it. That's why some solids can stand, like an apple. If you put it anywhere, you can stand. And even the doll, that works like that too. I'll put it over here. And it works. It can sit over there. So what is solid? What is solid? Solid. So we're going to write all the things that are solid on this big list. First thing we'll think of is board. We found out that firstly, so we're going to write board, our first example of solid. And what is another example of solids? Well, solid is I think a water bottle is solid. And I know it is solid. So let's put a water bottle. Water bottle. Water bottle. Bottle. Hey, there's not supposed to be two T's. There's supposed to be two L's. Bottle. What else is solid? We can only write one more. Hey, our example. A doll. Well, some dolls are fluffy. Like I found out this one is fluffy. So we can't write dolls. We have to write solid dolls. So we're going to write solid dolls. solid dolls. Because some dolls are too soft, and soft dolls aren't so solid. Like this chalk solid. But if I drop it, it can actually break, but accidentally. So now we're going to write the question. What is liquid? We've learned about solids, now liquids. Well, just like solids, liquids is also fun. Is liquid. It might be tough to spell liquid. Question mark. So we're going to write everything liquid. What do you at home either do or, hey, this braked, but not accidentally. Okay, so whatever you drink is salt. Whatever you drink is liquid. So I'm going to write whatever you drink is liquid. So we've learned about what is solid and liquid. But gas might be hard, so I'm not doing it this way. But when you guys grow up, I'm going to make another video of gas. But right now, we're just going to learn a little bit of gas. But if you don't get it, I don't know. You'll have to learn it. So we're not actually going to learn it because I don't think you are too small for gas. So, this board is too full. Let's raise it with a razor. But wait, where is the razor? I don't see it. There it is. So we need some space for writing what is gas. Gas, I'm going to write it with color red because I don't like brown anymore. What is gas? Gas. We're going to write some things. Gas is when you cook something, so it might take the whole space. When you sometimes cook something. Something. Like, if you cook, I'm not sure if kidney beans have gas. I've never cooked kidney beans and saw anybody cooking kidney beans. So I'm not sure if kidney beans, if you cook them, are gas. So, is when you cook pulse, I saw somebody cook pulse. Pulse has a lot of gas. But I always get scared of its gas. It's a lot. And gas is actually just water. There's no need to be scared of water. Well, if you're scared of gas, you may be scared of solids and liquids and gases. Because I'm not scared of gas. I drink water. And gas, you don't drink it. But solids, it's hard to eat. Like an apple, it's always solid. Even though you find a magic apple. It has to be solid. But all kinds of things are solids, liquids, and gases. You can even make a mystery thing and list of what things are solids, liquids, and gas around your house, around outside. Like I found one if you want to write it in your list. Water is liquid. Write it down. I'll give you some time. And solid. If you freeze ice, ice is solid. And gas, made of water. Right. Gas is when you make something. The examples I gave you, you can use them. But I've made a lot. So you can only use one because actually you can use as many as you can. Just if you want to write a lot of things. Actually, if you want to write everything, like everything you've seen, you want to solve it into things, you'll have to get a whole copy to see everything around Earth, what is solid, liquids. Or you could use a robot. Robots are fast. But what is gas? What is liquid? You've learned those. Liquid, solids, and gases are my favorite learning parts. They're most of my favorite and easiest I've ever learned. What was your easiest thing you've learned? Mine was solid, liquids, and gas. So I've tried to share it with you guys. And I did. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like. Bye.